So this is the final project from my master's course. It's a planning algorithm based off of another one called GOAP. And at its core, it runs on a finite state machine. So as you can see, there's 4 states: idle, move to, perform, and signal. So move to, you move to position; perform, you perform an action on our plan; and signal is when you request for help from other agents. So in this example, we have 4 different units. Each have a set of actions they're capable of doing, as I'm showing here. Now, so to be able to set goals, I simply right-click on an objective. So in this case, I want the tree cutter to get wood. So it makes a simple plan to just cut a tree. I can also right-click on an empty space to get it to move to a certain position. Now the main focus of this implementation is the signal state. So if there's a case where a unit's been set a goal that it does not have the actions to achieve, which in this case is the builder, so the make tool action requires that they have wood and ore, but it doesn't have the actions to complete that goal. So it needs to get help from the tree cutter and the miner. So once I set it to complete the make tool goal, it goes into the signal state to help complete that. So you can see when I right click, the tree cutter and the miner get the necessary resources for the builder, and then the builder goes on to make his plan of making a tool. And as you can see, it has a tool now. A slightly more complicated example would be if I'm placing blocks, which I'll show in a second. So to make a block, you need to have the resource as well as a tool. So like before, the builder needs to get help making a tool from the tree cutter and the builder. So when I right click to make a block, first do that. And as you can see, once it gets the resources, it makes a plan of action. So again, the tree cutter is helping the place block step, since you need a wood and a tool. And again, the builder does not have the cut tree action. Right. So that's the basis of the implementation. Thanks for watching. There's a link in the description to try the project.